In the world of financial markets, one statistic stands out as both surprising and sobering. Approximately 95% of traders end up losing money. This figure reveals just how challenging and unpredictable trading can be, even for those who are passionate and dedicated. Understanding why such a large majority struggle is crucial for anyone considering entering the market or seeking to improve their results. It highlights the importance of knowledge, strategy, and discipline in navigating the complexities of trading. By exploring the reasons behind this statistic, we can uncover valuable lessons that may help aspiring traders avoid common pitfalls and achieve greater success. Most traders face significant challenges that often lead to losses in the financial markets. A primary reason is the lack of sufficient knowledge and experience, which leaves many unprepared for the complexities of trading. Poor risk management is another critical factor, as failing to set stop-loss orders or using excessive leverage can quickly erode capital. Emotional decision-making, driven by fear or greed, frequently results in impulsive trades that deviate from a well-thought-out strategy. These issues, when combined, create an environment where consistent success becomes elusive. Understanding and addressing these common pitfalls is essential for anyone seeking long-term profitability in trading. A lack of proper education and experience is one of the most significant factors contributing to trading losses. Without a solid understanding of how financial markets operate, traders are often unable to interpret price movements or recognize key trends. This knowledge gap can result in poor decision-making, such as entering trades based on rumors or emotional impulses rather than sound analysis. Misunderstanding market dynamics also means traders may overlook important signals or fail to adapt to changing conditions. As a result, even small mistakes can quickly accumulate, leading to substantial losses. Building a foundation of education and hands-on experience is essential for anyone seeking to navigate the complexities of trading successfully. Effective risk management is a cornerstone of successful trading. By setting stop-loss orders, traders can limit potential losses and protect their capital from unexpected market movements. Avoiding excessive leverage is equally important, as high leverage can amplify both gains and losses, often leading to significant financial setbacks. A disciplined approach to risk ensures that no single trade can jeopardize your overall portfolio. Prioritizing these strategies helps traders stay in the game longer and increases the likelihood of long-term success. Ultimately, safeguarding your capital allows you to take advantage of future opportunities with confidence. Emotions play a powerful role in trading, often leading to costly mistakes. Fear can cause traders to exit positions too early, missing out on potential gains, while greed may push them to take unnecessary risks or ignore their trading plans. These emotional reactions can cloud judgment and disrupt even the most well-thought-out strategies. Developing emotional discipline is essential for maintaining consistency and making rational decisions. By sticking to a clear plan and managing emotions, traders can avoid impulsive actions and improve their chances of long-term success. Ultimately, mastering emotional control is just as important as technical knowledge in the world of trading. A well-defined trading plan serves as a crucial foundation for success in the financial markets. It outlines your strategies, risk management rules, and goals, providing a clear roadmap for every decision. Sticking to this plan requires discipline, especially when market conditions become unpredictable or emotions run high. Constantly switching strategies can lead to confusion, inconsistency, and unnecessary losses. By remaining committed to a thoughtfully crafted plan, traders can avoid impulsive decisions and build confidence over time. Ultimately, discipline and consistency are what separate successful traders from those who struggle to achieve lasting results. Research and analysis are essential tools for anyone aiming to make informed trading decisions. Technical analysis involves studying price charts, patterns, and indicators to predict future market movements. On the other hand, fundamental analysis examines economic data, company performance, and broader market trends to assess the true value of an asset. By combining both approaches, traders gain a more comprehensive understanding of the market. This dual perspective helps identify potential opportunities and manage risks more effectively. Ultimately, thorough research and careful analysis form the foundation for successful and confident trading. Transitioning from frequent losses to consistent profitability in trading is a journey that demands both self-reflection and practical action. One of the most impactful changes was embracing continuous learning, dedicating time to study market trends, strategies, and risk management techniques. By analyzing past mistakes and understanding the underlying reasons for each loss, I was able to refine my approach and avoid repeating errors. Implementing a disciplined trading plan, setting clear risk limits, and keeping emotions in check proved essential. Over time, these habits fostered greater confidence and resilience, turning setbacks into valuable lessons. The commitment to ongoing education and self-improvement remains at the core of sustained success in trading. In summary, the journey to becoming a consistently successful trader requires more than just luck or intuition. The majority of traders struggle because they lack proper education, effective risk management, and emotional control. By focusing on continuous learning, developing a solid trading plan, and maintaining discipline, you can set yourself apart from the crowd. Remember to analyze each trade carefully, manage your risks wisely, and never let emotions dictate your decisions. Adopting these habits is essential for anyone aiming to join the top 5% of traders who achieve lasting success in the financial markets.